I'm up. Quiet. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, before you ask, yes, I always do look this good in the morning. Well, hello, welcome to Vlogmas day whatever it is. I got a lot planned today, but before we do anything, I have to wash this. So let's go ahead and get in the shower. Oh baby, all I want for Christmas is you, baby. Okay, so this is the drip for today. Pretty basic, but you know what? Now it's time to brush the teeth. My mirror's all foggy. Ugh. Get out of there. I love how I don't have an actual camera, I just use my phone, so it's kind of like the days where people used to Vine on their phone, so let's go. I have this coupon for this place called the Breakfast Club. You get a breakfast or lunch for two, and well, since I don't have any friends or I'm single, I'm going by myself, so let's go. All right, well, we just finished breakfast. Now it's time to go get some Starbucks. Wait, I don't have any gas. Ugh. Okay, now we can go to Starbucks. And a happy new year. Ba 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 ba.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, it'll be just a second.
No worries, let me know if you have any questions.
Hey, it's been a second. What's going on?
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I love that. I figured it out. Can I get the peppermint mocha, please?
No, there's no peppermint.
Okay. What the? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm one of those customers. I'm sorry.
You're okay.
Okay, I just want the Christmas cup. Okay, what's the best drink I can get for that?
Caramel over there. It's like sweet white.
Okay, I'll get one of those. Look it! Here it is! The Christmas cup! This is like one of my favorite things about Starbucks. If it would focus, just focus on the cup. Focus on the cup, right there. Yes. I've never had this flavor before. She just kind of recommended it. So let's just go ahead and see how it tastes. Very good. It should keep me up for the rest of the day, at least. This is another moment in my day where I just feel like going to random stores and look at stuff that I can't afford to buy, but I pretend that I can. So, next stop, Target. Now, I don't really need anything from Target, but then again, who really does need anything from Target? I just come to look at the clothes that I may want in the future. Like this one. This one feels, oh wow, this is actually really comfortable. I have this one, but like it always like shrinks. I don't know, does that happen to you guys? I put it in the dryer once and then it shrinks. I don't get it. Then there's these. We got the graphic tees. We got a Pizza Planet. Oh, is that from Toy Story? I think it is. We got this one here. Is that a Marvel one? No, it's not. That's stupid. Dragon Ball Z. Gross. Yeah, Led Zeppelin. I don't know. There's too many options. Here's the drip. What do we think? Okay, well now that I've explored everything I can afford at Target, let's go check out the rest of the mall. Okay, we are in Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, I don't need anything from Bed Bath & Beyond, but I just come to look at all the other beddings that they have. Like for instance, they have a full queen of this. It's pretty nice, but then again, I also came to look at the display beds because I dream of having a bed that's that comfortable. See? Like this one here, this is definitely silk. These are very comfortable. Why are there so many towels? They all do the same thing. Okay, now that I've wasted enough time looking at stuff that I'll never be able to afford, let's get home. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Okay, so we just got home and I need to focus on getting the hardcore Christmas special done, editing. This is what I have so far. This is the opening here, little glimpse into those who are watching this video. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and work on this, and this is probably gonna take me a while, so let's get it done. Oh, guys, that took a while. It took me at least 5 hours to get that video done, but it's finally done and edited, and now I just have to get it scheduled on YouTube, and that should be fun. So let me show you the final product here. So here it is. Here's what I showed you from the beginning. If I just expand this is the entire video here. Lots of cuts, but you know, I'm really excited because this is probably like my favorite 12 days ever that I've done. So I'm really excited to show you guys it. But yeah, be sure to check this out. This will be releasing on December 25th at 7 a.m. PST. So definitely go to check that out. We're just gonna try it. Let's see how it looks. Now this is another one of those moments where I just kind of go around. No. Okay, so we just got home and right now I need to focus on getting the hardcore special. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a lot different than what I usually do. So if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we are so close to 200 subscribers. So if we can get there by the new year, possibly, I don't know, that'd be awesome. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Merry Christmas. Spend time with your families. Love you guys. Bye.